It's behind the chair. And there's something right next to the door right there. It's a little black thing. No, next to the other door on your left. Look on the floor. Yeah. Pick that up. And come back over here. Did you break it, Abby? Come here. Give me everything. Give me the little black piece too. I don't want the kitties to get that in their mouths.
Hey, where's the fork?
Abby, come back. Come here. Hey, she's petting Luna. Is she soft like Leo?
There.
Okay, Abby, bring that plastic fork over here.
Hey, I'm making another piece for my room.
Thank you. Let me see this so I can fix it.
This is my part of the ceiling. I'm gonna make another part of my ceiling.
Okay.
I did it.
But where's that little black piece that you picked up? Because we need that, otherwise that little thing isn't gonna... You threw it down. Where is it? Is this it? Yep, this is it. It goes right there.
Amy, could you make it into a ball?
Yep.
No, I mean a straight line.
What do you say?